Let's show you the 13 horsepower vacuum in action. So I'm going to turn it on here. We have steel shot, 3-inch diameter hose. I want you to focus on how fast this material conveys through the hose. First of all, this pile of steel shot is gone in almost no time at all. So picking up material that's hard like steel shot, not a problem from here. And you'll see that all that material has been conveyed back to the vacuum. Turn the vacuum off, let it come to rest. Shake the shaker bar, that's going to drop the dust cake off. Release the safety latch, and here you're going to find all of that steel shot was just collected through a 3-inch diameter hose in seconds. So this is an extremely powerful mobile platform vacuum by Goodway.